Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very special dish with tofu. We call this as Mapo tofu. So let's go ahead and start making this tofu and enjoy it. Before we begin, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the recipe, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon for future recipes. Let's first begin marinating our meat. So today I'm going to use chicken mince. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of light soy and I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine. Then mix it properly. Okay, so this will be marinating for about 15 minutes. Next step will be to prepare Sichuan peppercorn. This is how they look like. Little red, pinkish color. Okay, I'm going to use about a teaspoon of it. Roast it. When it starts turning brown, I'm going to turn off the flame. You know it's ready because of the smell, and also you will see on your pan that the peppercorn has left oil. Once the peppercorn cools a little, I'm going to transfer this to my mortar and pestle and make it into a nice powder. My Sichuan peppercorn is now coarsely ground. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. Let's move to the next step. Alright, in my pot I've taken some water and now I'm going to salt the water. Salt in the water. In my hot water, I'm going to add my tofu, which I've cubed. I'm using about half a kilo. I'm just going to keep this for about a minute or so that all the bitter water comes out of the tofu. The tofu becomes nice and soft. Let's begin cooking the Mapo tofu now. What I've done is, in my cooking pot, I've taken 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. To this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. This I'm going to add the white part of the spring onion. And then add my chicken mince, which I marinated. Once the meat is slightly brown, what I'm going to use is hot bean sauce. Okay. generally you have a special red bean paste which comes in the market for Mapo Tofu. If that is not available, you can use regular bean sauce and add chili sauce, which is any kind of chili sauce like this for the red color. Since I did not have the red bean paste, I'm going to use the hot bean paste sauce and the chili sauce to make this. If you don't find the hot bean sauce as well, use regular fermented soybean. Just chop it up into fine pieces and add your chili sauce. So let's get a red color. You can add as much of chili sauce as you want depending on your taste. See, look how vibrant it looks still. However, you do have some of the brands which sell red bean sauce which is available in the market. If it's available, definitely you can buy that and use it. So once you've fried this a little, look how vibrant red it is. It has given me the same effect what I would use red chili bean sauce, which is called as do bancang. Okay, if I've used that and this, it's the same thing. Now to make the sauce, I'm going to take in my bowl, I'm going to take about a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Okay. To the chicken stock powder, I'm going to now add about a cup of water. Okay. And then going to add that to my, mix it and add it to my chicken which is cooking. As you can see now, my chicken has started to boil. I'm now going to add my tofu, which I had earlier prepared, and mix it. Make sure you gently work on it, otherwise you're going to break all your tofu. So handle it very slowly. Just make sure that the sauce covers all my tofu. Okay, so now I'm going to let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce reduces. Okay, so see you in a while. So it's been about like 10 minutes now cooking. You can see the water has almost evaporated. What I've done is I've made a cornstarch slurry so that I can have a thick, nice, thick sauce. I'm going to add that to my mapo tofu and let it cook again for another 2 to 3 minutes. And finally, I'm also going to add some toasted sesame oil. That's about 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. There you go. My mapo tofu is ready. Look how wonderful it looks now. All I'm going to do is serve it with steamed rice and garnish it with some green onions. Finally, don't forget to add your Szechuan peppercorn that we had. made. Alright then. So if you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the like button and share the recipe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. I hope you've enjoyed this and I hope you will try this at home as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.